saying? Like, now you need to be going to 7, because look at your speed. See how your speed is? Right? Okay, so go ahead and downshift to 7. 1 gas 2. 1 gas 2. Okay, we'll put it at 6. Give it gas. Get off the clutch. All right, go. You was riding the clutch. You can't go in gear when you're riding the clutch, right? Okay. Now with your 15, go ahead and upshift. 1, 2. Good. Don't push the clutch in so far. Just barely tap it in. Give it some gas. Come on, we're going up a hill. You gotta go. You gotta go. Gotta go. You're gonna get in this left lane here in a minute. Upshift. Straight down. You take that was very slow. You need to go faster. 1, 2. There you go. Upshift. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Wait till you get to 15. You're doing it too soon. Left signal. Left signal. Get over in the left lane. All right. Check your intersection where you're coming up. Right here. Yep. Deactivate your signal if you haven't already. All right. Be aware of this car coming up. Go up to 15 mile RPMs and go ahead and upshift. 1, 2. Come on, you got it. There you go, nice and smooth. Now you're going up this hill, so you want to go ahead and give it some gas. Give it some gas, give it some gas, give it some gas so you don't stall out. This is one of them type of hills you're gonna go up when you're doing your road testing for work. So you need to give it some gas, because if you don't, you will stall out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and enter the expressway on 45, stay in the right lane. Watch this car that's coming on, check your right mirror, back to the front. All right, we're gonna take the very next exit, which is a half mile away, down Dowdy Ferry. So as you get down here to the bottom, make sure you check your left mirror, merge onto the highway on the safety. Don't change any gears just yet. Stay where you at, it's fine. All right, stay where you at. You're gonna take the next exit. Turn your right signal on. All right. How fast are you going? You're at 9th, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So go ahead and take this in 9th. Take this highway in 9th. Stay in this lane because we're gonna loop around. Remember, same way we came. All right. Let your RPMs drop down to 11, and then do 1 gas 2. Go down to 8 gear. Don't stop. You got a big truck behind you. 1 gas 2. Gas. No, 8. Down. Remember? Yep. Think about where you got to go. Don't be going to the wrong gear, because that's what's gonna throw you off. Now we're gonna make a U-turn, so downshift to 7. Get off the brake. No, get it. Nope, not yet. All right. Now go. 1 gas 2. Gas. Gas 2. Gas. Gas 2. There you go. Get off the. Nope. Don't give it no gas. Brake. Down. Yep. All right. Now ease around the corner. You really need to be in 6th gear right now, because you don't never want to be coasting through a turn. Right now you're on the brake. On the clutch. You do not ever want to do that. You always want to pull your equipment through your turn. Okay. So now, remember, this is why it's safe. All right. Go ahead and stay in this lane and keep going. You're good. Yep. You have the right of way. Stay in this lane though. All right, give it some gas and let's go. You're gonna get right back on the expressway. Check your right mirror, make sure nobody tries to come in between us or try to hit us or go around us. If they do, that's fine, because we're big and we're slow. But just pay attention to your upshift. When you're at 15, you don't know if you're on the upper rev it, just go ahead and upshift. 1, 2. Good. Well, you're in the wrong gear. Upshift is straight down, straight down. Remember, you're up, so you go straight down, right? There you go. All right. Now you see it's a lot of traffic right here. Everybody's going slow, so why don't you go ahead and downshift back to 7.
7?
Yep. 1. Get off the gas. 1 gas 2. Gas. Give it a little more gas. Remember, you got to raise it up 400. If you're not raising it up 400, then you're not going to. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. All right. Slow down. Go down to 6. Gas, gas. Yeah. See, you're so quick to get back on the gas.
Yeah.
You don't have to get back on the gas because we're slowing down.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah. When we're
rev it up
yeah.
to 15 and just.
When you're revving it up, 400 RPMs to downshift, you're doing that so that the RPM, the engine can slow you down. So it's hard for the engine to slow you down if you're getting back on the gas. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right. All right, go ahead and upshift. You're at 15. 1, 2. Make sure you get that rhythm down because you're a little off. I'm glad you got in gear, but get the rhythm down. 1, 2. 1, 2. There you go. Awesome. And we're gonna turn the right signal on, and we're gonna get off on 310 here in this next exit. You can stay right here in this gear, or you can go ahead and upshift.
Go ahead and upshift?
Yeah, you can go ahead and upshift. 1, 2. Good. Check your left mirror as you're getting off. Make sure nobody come flying around you.
Yes, sir.
All right, back to the front.
Yes, sir.
All right, you see the yield sign, yield to ramp. Let's just check
Yes,
your
sir.
fender mirror. I see a semi over there, but keep going. He has to yield to you. You do have the right of way. Heavy on the mustard, light on the mayonnaise. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He did yield. Stay in his lane and keep going. Stay in his lane. I think you got your signal on. You can turn it off. There you go. All right, as you're coming down the hill, make sure you're checking that intersection. You see a white car to your left, a red car to your right. Make sure you are aware of your surroundings.
Truck.
Yep. Keep your hands on the steering wheel. Never take your hands off the steering wheel. Check the truck up here. Watch the construction worker. Just keep driving. You are good. All right, go ahead and upshift. Speed up first to go to your 15 RPMs. And then you can upshift. Once you get to your 1500 RPMs, that's when you can go ahead and upshift. 1, 2. If you don't get it, tap the gas. There you go, see?
Yes, sir.
I think you went to the wrong gear.
I think I did too.
You're in 10th. Go back over to 8. Give it gas first. Give it gas. Okay, go to 9. See how fast you're going? Remember 4 plus 5 is what?
9.
All right, go to 9. Where's 9? You remember?
Right here.
Over and up.
Over and up.
Just tap it. You're kind of going, just tap it.
Yes, sir.
Tap. No, you're going, no, you tap it. Choom, choom. Tap it. Just tap it. Don't go, you see how you tap? Just tap it. Like you're stepping on a bug. Tap it. Tap it. All right, go to 8, because now you're slowing down. See how you're slowing down? See how you're slowing down?
Yes, sir.
Just go straight. Don't wiggle it. Remember I told you about the wiggle?
Yes, you did.
Okay, go straight down. Just tap it. All right, now you're in gear. See that? You got to tap it and put it in gear at the same time you tap it. But you're going, no, it's not going to do anything. Because you're going, you're just kind of, you're pushing on the gas, but you're not tapping it. You got to tap it. All that's doing is bringing the gas. Go ahead, give it some gas, because we're going too slow. We're in the fast lane. Upshift. 1, 2. There you go. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Check the mirror, check the dump truck on your right. All right, keep going, keep going. There you go. It ain't a race. We're going to go ahead and let them pass. Just go past. Just want to slow down. Go back to 9. Go back to 9. Tap it. Nope. Just tap it. Just tap your gas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Tap the gas. See that? See when I pushed it in?
Yes, sir.
You gotta push it in as soon as you tap the gas. The same time you tap the gas.
At the same time.
Yeah, same time. Yeah. All right. Right turn signal. Get in the right lane when it's safe to do so. Nope. Don't go mirror to mirror. Remember I told you that?
Yes, sir.
You don't never go mirror to mirror. Always go your triangular viewing pattern. Mirror, front, mirror, back to the front. Never take your eyes off the front longer than 2 seconds. Okay? And if you're doing this, you're gonna lose track of your lane. Okay? Alright, go ahead and upshift. Just speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. 1500 RPMs and then upshift. 1500 RPMs. Once you get to what? 45, you're already in 90. Yep. We're going up to 50. Going to 10. Yep, go on over to 10. Over. Don't be so gentle with it. Tap the gas. Okay, now you done went back to 45. Upshift, right? Okay, once you get up, yep. There you go. If you just be too gentle coming from ninth, you have to hold it over because it's all the way over towards me, right?
Yes, sir.
If you're too gentle with it coming out of ninth, it's gonna fall back into neutral, and you're gonna be trying to go in eighth.
Yes, sir.
So you always want to hold it over to the right to get back over into 10th.
Yes, sir.
Ninth to 10th. Remember, because you got to push it over to ninth. So it's the same. When you're going down to ninth, I mean to 10th, you got to push it over still. All right? If not, it's just going to fall back over to 8th or right in between 10th and 8th. So that's what causes the scratch. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you don't want that. So hold it. So like when you're doing it, when you're coming from ninth, you kind of want to hold it like this. Put your hand, look at my hand. You want to hold it like that and go down this way. All right? At that point, it's not like the little Mr. Miyagi thing I was telling you. Don't do that.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay,
You
so
get the home
go
run.
ahead, downshift. We're going to go back to the yard. Get off the gas first.
Off the gas.
All right. 1 gas, 2. 1 gas, 2. 1 gas, 2. Gas, you're not getting enough gas. 2. Now get off the gas. Nope, don't get on the gas. We were trying to slow down. I wanted to take you back to the yard, but you're going too fast. Nope, don't even try it. Let's keep going. We're going to like one more loop. One more loop. One more loop. We'll go back up here to where we were at that last time, and then we come back around and we'll make a right. Yeah, so stay up here. We go to the next light after this one. You can go ahead and pick up your speed again. We're already on the stretch. I want to see if you can downshift again before we get to this light. Remember, it's just 1 gas, 2, and remember, it's a rhythm. If you're taking too long or you delay it, then you're not going to get in your gear. It's not going to fall in. So as soon as you get off the gas, you tap the gas. You don't do that. You just tap it. Same time you tap it, it's just bringing the RPMs up 400. Stay straight. We're going to go to the next light. All right, after the intersection, we'll turn your left signal on and we'll try to make a left. Check your mirror for the safety. Get over. Go ahead and get over. See how you looking left, mirror to mirror? I hate that. Please do not do that. Always bring your eyes back to the front. Okay? It's not necessary. Yeah, okay, good. Good, I know. But we're going to have to beat it out of you. All right, slow down. I know you should be in a nice gear to make this turn, but you're not, so you're going to have to set it up. Unfortunately, we have to stop. So go ahead, get in 5th gear or something, and go ahead and go. As soon as this car, go ahead and go up, ease up off the clutch, and go ahead and go. Go ahead. Give it some gas. All right, there you go. I didn't say turn. No, pay attention to your turn. What are you doing? See how you're trying to pay attention to your shifting? That's dangerous. That's why you don't shift through the intersection. Especially when you're just learning how to drive. 6th gear, remember? Alright. Alright, so next we're going to turn the left signal on and try to merge over to the left lane. You're still doing good. Still doing good. No worries.
I don't feel like I'm doing good.
It's okay. There's going to be a lot of mistakes being made in the beginning. It's okay. You just got to make sure to listen to me and try to be snappy with your shifts. You got to be snappy with them. Because if you're too lazy, or not lazy, but if you're too slow, it's going to be a delay. It's going to be a delay and you won't go into gear. Remember, because it has a sweet spot. There's a sweet spot in the truck. Once you learn that sweet spot, you will never be late. It's almost like being late to pick up your wife from work. She's going to be mad. You know what I'm saying? All right, nope, go into lower gear. Now take off. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Go. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Oh, stalled out. All right, put it in. Start it. Turn the engine. Turn it off. Nope. Let it cycle first. It's okay. Just relax. Go ahead and let it cycle.
Yes, sir.
You got the key over?
Yes, sir. It's over.
Now it's over.
Now it's over.